Now I only make chocolate cake this way. Quick, easy, and incredibly delicious. Let's start our recipe by adding 2 eggs to the bowl. Then we'll add a cup of sugar. Once that's done, I'll mix these ingredients very well. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below because I love easy recipes. Next, we'll add half a cup of oil. Also add half a cup of milk. And mix everything very well again. If you like chocolate cake, you need to make this recipe. It's perfect to bring to the table for breakfast. Now we'll add half a cup of cocoa powder. I'm using 50% cocoa. Next, we'll mix everything very well. Then we'll add 2 cups of sifted wheat flour. If you're looking for a cake that's soft and fluffy and the dough melts in your mouth, this chocolate cake will surprise your whole family. You won't be able to resist. Now we'll mix very well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. And look at this beautiful dough. This cake is perfect. Now we're going to add a spoonful of baking powder. Mix it again very well until the yeast is incorporated into all of the dough. That's it. It's perfect. Now we're going to add all of this dough to a greased and floured pan. Then put it in the oven preheated to 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. Keep an eye on it because the baking time varies from oven to oven. Then, in 200 grams of milk, I'm going to add 2 spoonfuls of cocoa powder. I'm going to mix it very well until all of the chocolate has dissolved. And that's it. Set it aside. As soon as the cake is baked, take it out of the oven and add this chocolate syrup on top. Then, let the cake rest for 10 minutes until all of the syrup has been absorbed. That's it. Now to unmold it, just turn it over onto a plate. And look at this beautiful cake. To finish, I melted 200 grams of milk chocolate in half a box of cream. I made this topping to put on top, but it's optional. I also finished it off with white chocolate sprinkles. It's just to give a special touch to our cake, but look how beautiful it turned out. And our cake is already ready. You can take a piece and serve it. If you liked it, leave a rating from 0 to 10. What rating would you give this recipe? I really hope you liked it. I'll leave it at that. A big hug, and until the next recipe.